Hi everyone, today we're making this super delicious stir-fry pork belly with leek. You can find the full written recipe down in the description box below. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. First of all, we have our vegetable oil, minced garlic, pork belly, and leek. And now for the stir-fry seasonings. Plain water, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and lastly, chicken stock powder, which is optional. I have right here a very good selection of pork belly. You want to clean this well and cut it into suitable bite size. And for the leek, you want to clean this really well, get rid of all the mud, then cut it diagonally. You can then set the leek aside. The secret of this super delicious stir-fry lies in marinating your pork beforehand. The measurements are written on the screen. We're going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. Trust me, it's going to make all of the difference. This is what makes this dish so addictive. Now let us start making the actual stir-fry. First, we are going to stir-fry the minced garlic in some vegetable oil on medium heat. We're going to stir-fry until it becomes really fragrant. After that, you're going to take the marinated pork belly, add it in and stir-fry. Continuously stir-fry on high heat. This is going to take some time, but it's going to be all so worth it. You're going to stir-fry until it turns nice and golden. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. After stir-frying for a while, your pork belly should look something like this. It's charred on the side, on the edge, and it smells so heavily. Now, when it's looking like this, it's time for the seasoning. Lower down the heat to about low because you don't want this to get burned, and add in all of the seasoning ingredients. Once again, the full quantity details and the full recipe will be listed down in the description box below. Yank up the heat and combine some more. After they are all well combined, you can then add in the leek and followed by some plain water. Then you're going to continuously combine some more until the leek turns off. Then after a while, you can give this a taste test and adjust to your own liking. If you like it a bit more sweet, more salty, you can adjust to your own preference. And there you have it, a wholesome, mouth-watering, super delicious stir-fry that will have anyone hooked. Like a lot of Chinese stir-fries, you should definitely have this with a plate of nice hot white rice. If you liked this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe? There's so much more recipe that you can check out on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.